we're taking this leftover sheeting and these 2x4s to make these shelves for our workbench. Hey guys, I'm Cory, this is Make, Shape, Create, and we're adding shelves to our workbench today. So we made this workbench like a month or so ago, and we love it. It has a shelf at the bottom, but that shelf gets really cluttered up with tools and supplies and stuff like that. So today we're going to make a shelf that hangs below it that will store circular saw or jigsaw or sanders or router, all that good stuff, to get them up off that shelf and try to continue organizing this place. So let's do that. So unlike the past few ideas we've had, this one I've taken some rough measurements and we have a rough idea what we want to do with it, but it's not set in stone. There's stuff that we might add to this, there's stuff we might not do with this, but this is our base idea. Just a shelf that hangs from the top, connects between the two legs, that we can put, you know, various tools on. So let's get to cutting some wood. Alright, we got all our wood cut now. We're going to use some of the scrap we have left over from our fancy stool build. We'll link that up here, but I think we have enough cut that we can go ahead and start assembling stuff. So, alright, so what we've done is I made sure this is level, measured down the same amount on both sides. Now we're just going to face screw them in on this side and on that side. Go from there. So this next part is going to take a little bit of measuring and a little bit of math. What we're going to do is we're going to put the sheathing so that it's on top of these, but we also have those supports, like I said, that are going to go at various points here. So we need to figure out where they're going to go too. That way we can make the cutouts and fit it all in place before we screw it down. So let's get to measuring. We went ahead and put on this back support for the shelf. When I was, again, I'm making this up as I go along. When I planned this out, I didn't take into consideration that it was going to be below this one. So we're going to add some scrap pieces of 2x4 we got cut down on tops of these just to support the back of them. Should be fine. Nothing too heavy is going to go on here. It's going to be staggered. Should be fine. So I forgot to cut this all the way out. Not a big deal. Go ahead and get this screw down, measure this other part. We are gonna put some dividers and some stop blocks in the back. But another thing I want to do is in this bigger space here, this is where our sanders are gonna go. And so I want to make a little drop down shelf or something like that right here. That's gonna hold all of our sandpapers. So I got this piece of scrap, I'm gonna cut it down, glue it up, figure out a way to mount it. That's how we did it, guys. This helps us organize so much better. We got a place for everything now. Love it. Thank you guys for suggesting this. Sorry I couldn't include your names. I couldn't find the comment. But if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any other suggestions for anything we could do. And find us on social media at Make Shape Create. Support us on Patreon if you feel like you can. And we will be back next week with a brand new video. See you guys.